What you're looking at right now is the website that you will have access to as a member and the way the alert works. I mean, once you log in into your account, you should see the alerts like this. Okay, you see the pair, and it tells you, you know, where to buy and stop loss. You know, all the goodies and the dates. I want you to look at something right now. I really don't care about that. Well, maybe that, but everything else to me, you know how we trade. We don't care about those numbers because that's not what we're doing. This is really a robotic way of trading. Those information provide to you, you know, but please don't look back. Don't look at that because I'll show you how to better trade without those things. The key to this really is to tell you what's going on. Now, if as you can see on the 19th, we have an alert to buy CAD CHF at 97.85. But what we do is to search to see how long this pair has been buying, because that's the key. You need to know how long a pair has been moving in one direction. As the easy way to do it is to copy the currency pair and go to your search box. There's a search box. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste the currency pair, and I will search for it, and you can see every single trade provided by this pair has been displayed here, and starting from here we're going to see. Now the key you have to understand that the higher they are, the newer they are. You see, this is the 18 and go down. This is the 15. And you know, in other words, this pair has been buying since the 15. Let me go next, and we'll see what happening. Okay, since the 10th, November 10th, it's been still buying. Okay, let's see. Buying. All right, here we go. Now we find a sell. So which means on November the 5th, this pair stop selling and start buying. On the 5th was the last order to sell, and on the 10th we find the first buy signal. This is the key to our system at this moment. At that point, we know now to start buying because the trend has been reversed, which is short-term trend and can lead to some intermediate term trend. But this is to tell us that the trend has just started to buy. At that time, once you receive something like this, which is said to buy it at 96.91, once you see that, guys, that's when you go to your chart. Okay, that's when you go to your chart and place your indicators and start finding all those buy trades, all those buy opportunities. Okay, that's when you start doing it, and that's the reason why I say to you, disregard whatever you see here. It doesn't matter really, because we don't care. What we're looking for is a direction that we should trade. Now, if you were to follow those, it doesn't mean that if you follow those alerts by themselves, the way they sent to you, you wouldn't make money. That's not what it is. You will make money, because look at this. Okay, on the 10th, if you were to buy this pair at 96.91, and you place that trade and you forget about it, right? And you're waiting to see what happened. Let's follow up. Let's go up to see if you were to make money from 96.99. Okay, you went to 97.36. You see, you're already making money. You see, on the 10th, 97.36. And let me go next, go up to see what happened. We're still looking at this pair. Here we go. Again, 97.49, 97.79. You see, you're already into the money. All right. Then that's on the 18th. On the 18th, you're already on 97.79. So you already make a lot of pip just by following the alerts without using my technique that I'm showing you. Now, you will make more money though if you use the technique I'm showing you. Why? Because the price go up and down, and you can keep taking multiple trades. And that's the reason why I'm saying to you, the alerts really, it is there to guide you. But by using my strategy of following the price hugging on the 10th and using the 55 as your goalkeeper, you will be making more money. And if that doesn't make sense to you, I don't know what else will. And as you can see again, the price stopped buying here at 97.70 and it starts selling. It stayed again, it goes down and asks you to sell it at 96.86. You see? Now let's look at the new pair and do a research to find out what would happen if we were following this trend. Now I found this pair, I researched it, and I found Euro AUD. In other words, you will receive an email and the system will say, you know, you will receive it just like that, sell or buy Euro AUD at certain price. You will copy, or you will place the currency pair into your search box, which is located on the website, and then you will go ahead and search for it. And as I said before, the key here is to find the beginning of a trend, and that's what you need. You need to find the first buy or the first sell and take it from there and milk it. That's the key, and that's what I've been doing, and that's what I hope that you'll be doing. Now let's look at this one, for example. By looking at this screen here, I don't know if you can see that, on the 26th of October we receive a buy signal for this pair AUD at 41.70. So 41.70. So the goal is to buy this. So okay, we go ahead and buy it. Let's say that you did follow my strategy, which will give you more pips, but you go ahead and buy this. If you buy this there, okay, you're making a good pip. You're making like probably a good 30-50 pips going up. All right, 41.70. That's about 40 pips. Okay, now you take 40 pips profit, and then all of a sudden you receive another alert to sell. At that point, the market changed into a new trend now. The trend now going down, as you can see here. He asks you to sell it here on the 4th. As soon as you receive the sell alert, that's what you need, guys. That's the first indication of a trend change. You say, you know what, I'm not going to use the strategy by waiting for the price to bounce from the 10th. I'm just going to use the alert just the way it is, and I will just go ahead and sell. Well, as I said before, these alerts are very powerful, and you will absolutely make money by using the alerts. And again, you'll make more money if you follow the strategy of bouncing and up and down. You say, you know what, I'm just going to wait for this guy to tell me where to sell, and I will sell it and follow the trend just the way it is. That's great. You go ahead and place a sell at 1.4045. Okay, now we're going to go on the next page to see. I want you to keep that in mind here and see on the 4th of November you would place a trade at 4045. You sell it, and let's see what would happen now. So we're gonna go to the previous page, because as it go up, the price going down, as you can see. Now here's what happened. Now from 40 we're now to 38.55. So already a lot of pips has already been made. Let's go to the previous page, because right now it is okay. Now we are at today is what? Today is the 8th, from the 4th to the 8th. Now we are at 36.94. Now if you count how many pips from 1.40 to 36.95, 94 here, that's a lot of pips. So just to show you that you would have made money, even, you see, 38, 37, you keep going down because you're selling it. You see, you keep selling it, you keep telling yourself, because the system will follow a trend pattern. And then if you are just to use it just the way it is, you will still make some money. But again, you'll make more money if you follow the simple strategy by just look for the price to hug. And let me see the previous page to see where it is right now. All right, still down. Okay, 36. Again, it's still selling. That the 10th. Let's see. Let's keep going. On the here you go. Still selling. It's on 36 now. Okay, see, 36.59. Now, by that time, you're probably over 400 point positive. The price is gonna start going sideways and start reversing. At that point, you're either gonna be stopped out on your trailing, but you make a lot of pips, and the price is ready to give you the new alerts. Right now, as you can see, we have a new alert because the price has just been reversed on the 19th here, which was, I think, yesterday, or the day before yesterday. The price is now reversed to the upside. Okay, there can't be anything easier than that. If you spend some time to really understand the concept of the way the alert works, you will be able to make money trading forex by following those simple strategies. Now, again, there are many companies. If you can find something that provide you a trend following way of knowing what's going on, please, by no means go to them. But as I said before, I can't talk to for anything else besides what I know, what I use. So if you want something that works, I would advise you to you either take this directly from the currencymeters.com website, or be part of our membership club and receive it as a cheaper way of finding your trend. I hope this has been very informative to you, and that can help you trade. So if you have any questions, you know how to contact us. I hope you have success in your trading.